What is anti-gravity? What is this anti-gravitic phenomenon that happens? Well, back in the 1947, there was a Roswell crash, and that Roswell crash was reverse engineered. And what they found is that the craft had two rotations, one about the axial plane and one about the radial plane. I have two equations written here. They're essentially the same equation. It says acceleration equals omega omega r, and this gravity is equal to acceleration, so gravity equals omega omega r. I derived that from the gyroscopic precession equation. Omega sub p precession equals mass times gravity times radius over the rotational rate of the gyroscope omega times the inertia. If the moment of inertia is viewed as a hoop, then the moment of inertia equals mr squared. Substituting that in algebraically, one can derive that gravity and acceleration is omega omega r. Now, what does this mean? How does this pertain to Roswell, the very first reverse engineered craft known to modern man, I should say. These have been out for quite some time. The point is that acceleration, any acceleration, in order to accelerate an object upwards, like this word, i.e. anti-gravity, or even downwards, it involves two rotational planes. And these rotational planes are in perpendicular relation to one another. Again, the tornado here, there's two tornadoes. One tornado is axial and the other tornado is radial. And when those two combine, when the radial turns and converges into the axial,